everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Uzalo from the 6th to the 10th of September 2021 on Monday. Hlela opens up to Kapsile about her sad dark past. Coco sucks Nyawo dry, leaving him without a cent to his name on Tuesday. There is trouble in paradise. KwaMashu Njeza gets on Nosipo's nerves. The church community discovered that Zeketelo and Pastor Gwala are going their separate ways, and Nyawo has a standoff with some delivery guy at the police station on Wednesday. Pastor Gwala feels undermined by the church women. Nosipo and Njeza reach a boiling point. Nkunzi sees his sweet advert and he is livid on this day. Sibonelo's dreams of a successful liquor brand come to a scratching halt. Meanwhile, Pastor Gwala pleads with Zeketelo to get a second chance, but will she take him back and Nyawo's lies finally catch up to him on Friday? An emotional roller coaster as a beloved daughter, sister and friend bids their farewell to KwaMashu. Kapsile rebuilds with a struggling Hlelo, and Nyawo's wildest dreams becomes reality. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.